Okay, so let's talk about branding and why it is so critical to the success of your business, more specifically, your company's brand identity. So to help me explain brand identity, let's think of somebody that you know really well and trust. You know how they look, you know the sound of their voice, you know their style, you know their personality, you know different things that they care about and are passionate about. Basically, you know them, and all of those different factors make them who they are. And you trust this person because over the years, they have been consistently them. Consumers are the same way. They build trust and make purchases from companies that are consistent. So the key to remember, and something that you'll hear me repeat, is trust leads to transactions. And that's why establishing your brand's identity and remaining true to it is so crucial to the success of your business that I created an easy to follow 30-minute course that will teach you how to do just that. In the course, we'll cover your brand mission, vision, values, personality, voice, and visuals. Not only will I teach you how to develop those for your company, but I'll also be explaining why each of them is so critical in terms of developing that much needed trust with your audience. So if this sounds like something that would be beneficial to you and your company, check out the link in the description to find out more. My name is Amber Harris. I'm your marketing consultant, and I'll see you next time.